Hello student and welcome to today's lesson. Letter Z. The letter Z says Z, Z, Z. Look at the zip. Zip. Look at the zoo. Zoo. Look at the zebra. Zebra. STEAM activities. S. Discuss the uses of a yacht and zip. T. Listen to the letters Y and Z by watching a video. E. Use a chart paper to make a yacht and zebra. A. Provide a worksheet with a sketch of a yacht and ask the students to color it. M. Count objects beginning with the sound Y and Z around you. Review. Tick the correct beginning letter. Look at the well. Is it U or W? Tick W. Look at the yacht. Is it V or Y? Tick Y. Look at the X-ray. Is it X or T? Tick X. Look at the zebra. Is it Z or W? Tick Z. Color and write the beginning letter of each picture. Look at the well. Color it and write the beginning letter, W. Look at the zebra. Color it and write the beginning letter, Z. Look at the yak. Color it and write the beginning letter, Y. Look at the X-ray. Color it and write the beginning letter, X. Wonderful work, students. See you next time.